Okay, something you might come up against every now and again when you're editing images in Photoshop is an image that needs to be rasterized. Now, when you draw certain things in Photoshop or when you import certain pictures, you can't edit them in certain ways. So, for example, if I create a shape, so using the shape tool, it creates like a vector image basically, which is different to a pixel image. You don't really need to understand the mechanics of that. But when you use something such as the shape tool, and you've got it on your page, it's got this little icon here in the bottom right corner of its tab. So does this layer down here, and we'll get to that in a second. But usually when you can see that logo down there, that little tab, it means you can't edit the layer in many ways. So if I wanted to draw on top of this with the brush tool, and I made my brush bright red, and I tried to paint on the top of it, you can already see that I've got a little circle with a line through it. And when I try and click to draw on this layer, I'm going to get this error message coming up. Shape layer must be rasterized before proceeding. Yes, okay, so I'm going to click OK, and now I can draw on top of this layer. I couldn't do before because it was in a different format. So if you've ever got an image that you need to rasterize, say I had a square one again, you can either try and edit it and you'll get the error message and you can press OK, or you can right click on the layer that you want and just go up to rasterize layer. That means you can now edit this image in any way that you really want. It makes it a fully editable layer. It makes it completely standard, so you can do pretty much anything to it. Sometimes when you put a picture into Photoshop, so I drag and drop this picture into here, it's a smart object. So it's got another kind of logo in the bottom right. It means again that I can't edit. I can't draw on it. And I wouldn't be able to clone stamp it. I can't do much to it. I'm just going to get this error message again. I'm on this one, sorry. Same for this one. So I need to rasterize it again, just press OK, or you can right click on it and you can go up to the rasterize layer tab and press it from there. Once you've rasterized an image, it turns it into a completely pixelized image. So if you zoom in really close, you can see all the different pixels and then it's fully editable. Nice and simple, but it is a thing that you might come up across every now and again.